Hey, what's up YouTube? Doing an unboxing of Sorinex Recon Lite bumper plates. Let's do a quick unboxing. I ordered some 10s as I start to piece together my home gym. I just wanted to show you kind of what's in the box when you order from Sorinex, specifically for the Recon Lite series off of their website. As you can see, packaged pretty nice. Lots of padding there, and yeah, here's the Recon Lite plate. You can see there, made in the USA. Again, the brand is Sorinex, made of Crumb rubber. Then it's got the the collar here, so it fits your Olympic barbell. Shouldn't have any issues there. You see 10 pounds, 17.72 inches in diameter. And I believe the 10 pound is 1.37 inches wide or so, 1.375, I think is the data off the website. So you can see, pretty nice piece here. Great to take abuse with the 1-year warranty on these plates as well, which is phenomenal. You can see there, some really nice bumper plate that you can use for your home gym. They got a couple of options. This is obviously the most cost effective. I'm really a garage gym enthusiast, so I'm gonna start here, but I might upgrade later to some of their more premium bumper plates that they have on their websites, like the Bosco bumpers and so on and so forth. But yep, there's a quick unboxing. There's another one just below it. They ship them in 2s for this order of mine. I can't complain, they look great, and I'm stoked to get this on the Apex rig once it's made and shipped here to the house. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, leave a like, let me know what you think. Peace.